Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to do chapter 5. The name of the chapter is I Want That One. This is a story of a boy, Anil, who tried to take everything he wanted. He wanted many things that he saw at the market. So let us read a story. I want that one. It was a holiday for Amma. She was reading a book. Anil had a holiday too. He wanted to do something. He wanted to see what was in the blue box kept on the top of the rack. His mother told him that he could see it later. So he put a stool over a chair and climbed up to get the box down. Amma ran to Anil, stopped him, and said that all the boxes would fall on their heads if he pulled the blue box. Anil was very angry, and so to make Anil happy, Amma told him that they would go to the market and buy something for him. Anil was still very angry when they reached the market. He went to the fruit shop and pointed at an orange and said that he wanted the orange which was at the bottom. The shopkeeper stopped him and said that all the fruits would fall down if he did so. Then he went to the bookshop and pointed at the book he wanted. Here again the shopkeeper stopped him and said he could take the other book instead. Anil then went to another shop where samosas were sold. He was about to pull a samosa from a high stack. Stack means placed one on top of the other in a pile. But again the shopkeeper stopped him and said that all his samosas would fall to the ground. By then Anil was in a very bad mood because everyone stopped him from having what he wanted. Then he walked to the flower shop and touched the flowers. At once the flower seller stopped him and said he should not touch the flowers, otherwise they would wilt. Wilt means dry up. It was too much for Anil. He started crying loudly and everyone looked at Anil. By then Anil's mother moved towards the shop and loudly said that she wanted the black puppy. Hearing this, Anil stopped crying and looked at the puppies. He wiped his tears and went to his mother's side. He told his mother that they should choose the brown puppy instead, otherwise all the puppies would fall down. He gently lifted the brown puppy from the top of a pile of puppies. Anil looked at his mother and said that he was angry with her, as all the puppies would have fallen down. Amma smiled at Anil, and he too smiled back at his mother. He had understood his mistake and was not angry anymore. Did you know? Although pointing is often considered rude, it is a way in which we communicate to show what we want. But when you point at someone to talk about them, it is considered as rude, as one can feel bad about being pointed at. So, this was a story, and we have learnt from the story that we should not be stubborn. We should listen to what our elders and our parents say, and we should respect them. They always wish for our well being, so we should obey them. We should not be angry with them. Now I am sure that you all have understood this chapter, right? So once again, you read the chapter on your own, and soon we will meet in the next session.